So this is our shop setup. Basically, we have really cheap rent here. All it is a big plot of land, but the price is right. We pay $200 a month. So there's our leaf vacuum boxes. We have our trucks. We used to have actually parking spots, so kind of like strings separating where each crew parks, but it became a mess, and we gotta redo that system. Right now we have 3 crews running. There's a spare trailer over there. We got that Bobcat this year. I need some work at the moment. That's one bad thing about working here is the cold is definitely difficult to work on the equipment in the wintertime. On the site we have 2 shipping containers which we own. They're great storage, dry, very secure. They run about $2,000 each for the 20 foots or about $3,000 for the 40 foots, which we are intending to get 1 40 foot that we're going to make into an office plus additional storage, maybe get that Bobcat in there. This container right now we're just using for spare equipment storage. This one we're using for our mechanic container. We actually ran electricity in here. It's pretty cool. We have a little heater. It doesn't do much in the winter time. This is our blade sharpener. It's a commercial blade sharpener which hooks up to the shop vac, keeps all the dust out. It's a blade balancer. They're both made by Magnamatic. Fire extinguisher just in case. We've got a wall of tools which are working, getting very organized because equipment is definitely difficult to keep track of, and we want to make sure the mechanic isn't taking or losing anything. More tools over here. We have a chainsaw sharpener. These are just odds and ends in these bins. We have a welder, some work gloves, that sort of thing. In here is where the broken equipment goes. So these guys, I don't know, the front wheels are broken on that one. That one's missing its lever. We have a laptop here, which is hooked up for the mechanic, which loads into all of our system. For example, we have all our services lined up in here for all the equipment when there's stuff broken. Here's our tool racks where we're working on inventorying all of our air filters, fuel filters, that sort of thing. We got another, I think we're just using that for parts, that weed whacker. Here's some blowers that need some servicing, some weed whackers that need some servicing. This is our tool chest. We keep things like extra blades in here. There's our yard signs right now. We have extra bushings for the mowers, extra chainsaw blades. So really trying to keep things organized in here. This is where all the oil is. So we have the different types of oil, lawnmower oil, the hydraulic oil for the mowers. We have 2-stroke chainsaw. We have spare trailer tires. So this has been working really well for us up to this point. We have our instruction manuals in there. And so we're probably going to stay here for the next couple of years until we find a need to have to move on. I've been looking around at garages, and they actually cost about $1,500 a month around here. So with $1,300 of savings, we can be buying more equipment, or we can be doing more marketing, which I think is more important. So good luck.